real-world places and contexts where AI, generative AI, computer vision, and document understanding technologies are used. Hospitals, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases and suggests treatment plans. Banks, AI is used for fraud detection and customer service through chatbots. Smartphones, personal assistants like Siri and Google Assistant rely on AI for voice recognition and answering questions. Self-driving cars, AI technologies are used in autonomous vehicles on roads. Social media platforms, AI algorithms moderate content, recommend posts, and detect hate speech. Manufacturing plants, robots powered by AI are used in assembly lines for precision tasks. Logistics and shipping companies, AI optimizes routes and schedules for delivery trucks. Energy grids, smart grids use AI to manage and optimize energy distribution. Video games, AI controls non-player characters and adapts gameplay. Environmental conservation, AI helps monitor and protect endangered species. Farms, precision agriculture uses AI for crop management and yield optimization. Aerospace industry, AI is used in aircraft design and maintenance. Legal firms, AI assists in legal research and document analysis. Music streaming services, AI generates playlists and recommends music. Climate research centers, AI models assist in climate modeling and prediction. Cybersecurity companies, AI detects and responds to cyber threats in real time. Educational institutions, edtech platforms use AI for personalized learning. Online marketplaces, AI recommends products to shoppers based on their preferences. Sports teams, AI analyzes player performance and game statistics. Theme parks, augmented reality, AR, apps enhance visitor experiences. Smart cities, AI is used for traffic management and energy efficiency. Wildlife reserves, AI helps track animal movements and behavior. Translation services, AI-powered translation tools are used in international communication. Financial institutions, AI assesses credit risk and manages investment portfolios. Pharmaceutical companies, AI accelerates drug discovery and development. Retail stores, AI-powered cameras monitor inventory and customer behavior. Libraries, AI systems catalog and retrieve documents. Television and film production, computer vision is used for special effects and video editing. Airports, AI-based security systems enhance passenger screening. Government agencies, AI assists in analyzing data for policy making. Retail checkout, automated checkout using computer vision and AI. Weather forecasting centers, AI models improve weather predictions. Online advertising, AI optimizes ad targeting and placement. Fashion industry, AI helps with trend analysis and design. Human resources, AI screens resumes and conducts initial candidate interviews. Oil and gas exploration, AI aids in reservoir modeling and drilling optimization. National defense, AI is used for threat detection and autonomous drones. Traffic cameras, computer vision monitors traffic flow and detects violations. Museums, AI-powered apps provide interactive exhibits. E-commerce warehouses, robots powered by AI assist with order picking. Event planning, AI helps plan logistics and analyze attendee data. Retail loss prevention, AI detects and prevents theft in stores. Insurance companies, AI assesses claims and calculates risk. Advertising agencies, AI generates ad copy and creative content. Movie streaming services, AI recommends movies and shows to users. Mining industry, AI optimizes extraction processes and safety. Smart home devices, AI controls devices like thermostats and lights. Maritime industry, AI assists in navigation and collision avoidance. Real estate, AI evaluates property values and assists in property search. Food industry, AI optimizes food production and distribution. Public transportation, AI helps manage and optimize schedules. Mental health services, AI chatbots provide mental health support. Architectural firms, AI aids in building design and modeling. Public safety, AI analyzes emergency calls and predicts crime hotspots. Gaming industry, AI generates in-game content and characters. Hotel chains, AI manages reservations and recommends amenities. Waste management, AI optimizes waste collection routes. Textile industry, AI automates textile manufacturing processes. Language learning apps, AI assists in language acquisition. National parks, AI monitors and protects natural resources. Space exploration, AI controls and analyzes data from space probes. Emergency response, AI assists in disaster management. Fashion retailers, AI optimizes inventory management and stocking. Home security systems, AI-powered cameras monitor homes. Chemical industry, AI helps with chemical process optimization. Renewable energy, AI optimizes the operation of wind and solar farms. Public libraries, AI systems catalog and recommend books. Criminal justice, AI helps predict recidivism rates. Art galleries, AI assists in art curation and authentication. Ride-sharing services, AI optimizes driver-rider matching and routes. Wearable devices, AI tracks and analyzes health data. Theme restaurants, AI-powered robots serve customers. Space observatories, AI processes and analyzes astronomical data. Construction industry, AI assists in project scheduling and management. Chemical analysis, AI identifies substances in laboratories. Customer feedback analysis, AI analyzes customer reviews and feedback. Home appliances, smart appliances use AI for energy efficiency. Zoos, AI helps monitor and care for animals. Agricultural research, AI aids in crop disease detection. Air quality monitoring, AI analyzes pollution levels. Recycling centers, AI automates sorting of recyclable materials. Travel booking platforms, AI suggests travel itineraries and accommodations. Online dating apps, AI matches users based on preferences. Music festivals, AI assists in event planning and logistics. Smart glasses, AI-enhanced glasses provide information overlays. Virtual museums, AI recreates historical artifacts in virtual reality. Aquariums, AI monitors aquatic ecosystems. Political campaigns, AI aids in voter targeting and outreach. Non-profit organizations, AI helps with donor engagement and fundraising. Retail analytics, AI analyzes in-store customer behavior. Emergency rooms, AI triages patients based on severity. Recruitment agencies, AI matches job seekers with employers. Winery and vineyards, AI optimizes wine production. Oil refineries, AI improves refining processes. Renewable energy grids, AI manages energy distribution from renewables. Mental health research, AI analyzes mental health data for insights. Theme hotels, AI-powered robots provide concierge services. Space tourism, AI systems ensure passenger safety. Home improvement stores, AI-powered robots assist customers. Public restrooms, AI monitors and maintains cleanliness.